Hi everybody, Angie Hunt here. I'm at the LDRS Creative Studio today. We are gearing up for another show on the Home Shopping Network. It's going to be just in a couple of days, so I'm a little bit late with the videos. We were at a big trade show, and so everything is kind of short notice right now, but we're so excited. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what we're going to have on HSN. Just so you know, I'm going to put all of the details of all the shows, all the show times, all the schedule and everything. It's going to be down below in the description so you won't miss anything. But we are going to be going on quite early in the morning. I think the very first time is like 1 o'clock in the morning. And then we'll be on throughout the day, but I'll have all the details below. But right now, I'm so excited to show you guys this. You know, we love fairies, we love bunnies. We got spring coming, and it's just so exciting. We got snow outside right now, but we know spring is on its way. So I want to show you what we've got going on. We've got some really, really cool card kits. And the first, let me show you what these look like really quickly. Look at these little guys here. Here we've got these beautiful fairy fun cards, and look at those cards. Those are just little card picks on the front. And then we have the bunny fun cards. Look at those cute they are. These are so perfect for spring. These are so much fun. But the trick with these is that all the work is done for you. We've got absolutely everything in these kits that you're going to need. You're not going to need to color or paint or cut anything out. We've done it all. You're going to get in each one of these, you're going to get a pack of 15 envelopes and 15 card bases. They're all white. You're also going to get in each one of these, check these out. Look at these die cuts. Aren't these beautiful? Here we have the fairy die cuts, and these are the die cuts for the little bunnies. You'll see those in a little more detail in just a moment. But then we've also got, here's the fairies and the bunnies. This is all of your ephemera. These are so cool. Look how beautifully done these are. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you some of these on cards. We've done absolutely all the work. Check this out. Look how sweet that is. You have this beautiful sentiment. It's all themed. Just because, get it? There's a little bee right there. We've got this beautiful fairy on the mushroom. Look at the scene. Isn't that just so sweet? All of these pieces are in your kit. All you need to do is grab your favorite adhesive and put your cards together. Check this one out. Don't worry, be happy. Look at that little teacup cottage that she's got behind her. How cute is that? Here's another one. Life with you is always a picnic. And look at those little girlfriends or maybe their sisters in their little fairyland having their little picnic. And this one, thanks for always being such a very great, amazing, and kind friend. How sweet is that? Let me show you one more. I love these. Look at the colors on these. One of the things I want to point out, look at how beautifully these are cut. Every single one of these is die cut. You're only going to get a teeny tiny little bit of white space around these images. They're beautifully cut, ready for you to work with. So that is the fairy set. Let me show you some of these little bunnies. Look at him. Hope to see you soon. Look at him. He's just carrying that big basket of carrots. How sweet. Check these guys out. I just love these. They're just so cute. I think that these guys are going up the ladder, or maybe down the ladder after picking up their carrots out of the garden and taking them into their little bunny hole. For you from me with love. Just beautiful. Here's another one. Have a very happy birthday. How sweet. Just a couple more. Miss you. Hope you're feeling better. He's got his little kite and his tulips because spring is coming. And one more. Check them out. They're having a little tea party. Somebody loves you so much. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh, I love really, really muted colors when it comes to these kinds of kits, because it reminds me of like some of those fairy tales, those children's books and things like that, where the colors are just soft and absolutely lovely. How are you going to put these together? How do you know what to do? We've got an instruction sheet in each one of these. Check this out. On the other side here, we give you the 3 steps, the 3 basic steps, and then we give you all of the step-by-step instructions here to make and the pieces that you need to make it. And we've got this front and back. We have it for the fairy fun cards as well. We've done all the work. All you have to do is play. How much fun. I cannot wait to see you guys on Tuesday during our shows. Make sure you look in the description below for all of the times that we're going to be on. You're going to see these. This is our little sneak peek, and we've got one more sneak peek coming up for you. I cannot wait to see how much you guys love these things. This is one of my favorite kits that we've done in a very, very long time. We'll see you there. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.